starting the store. I
Yeah.
think it's an achievement to have 25 designers launching on one day in one store. I really think I'm super excited today. I've loved today's day.
सो इतने सारे डिज़ाइनरों के साथ काम करना और इतने अलग अलग कलेक्शन रखना, किस तरह का अप्रिशिएशन मिल रहा है लोगों से आते हुए?
I think अभी जो सारी ladies अंदर है, all of them are shopping,
Okay.
and it's wonderful to see because all of them are different sizes. This is the first time nobody has ever complained. There is so much choice that right from the slimmest girl to the most chubbiest auntie, everybody is fitting into something or the other, and they all are going to walk out with bags.
Okay.
And what unique thing you are going to see the audience in the winter collection?
Today, what unique you're going to see is there is something for everyone. There is a top, there is a dress, there is a gown, and there is a red carpet gown. So you have everything for this season under one roof right in this store.
According to you, what is a true sense of fashion?
True sense of fashion always, as well said, is wear something that you're comfortable in. Please don't copy anybody, just be comfortable.
एज वी सीन मतलब अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, जैसे आपने वो कहा है आपका स्टोर है, इससे पहले कभी एक्टिंग में कुछ ट्राई ऐसा किया है?
My husband produces a lot of films. We've done a lot of films like Warning, Sing Saab the Great,
Yeah.
Bhoot, Lightbox is ours also. So nothing really with me, but I'm just passionate about my fashion, my work, and that's about it.
Can we see you further in
Yeah.
movies and all?
I'll have to ask my husband and get back.
थैंक यू
Okay,
सो
thank you,
मच.
thank you. Let him start.
Ready? So, ma'am, tell us something. How much appreciation you're getting for your designer wear and थोड़ा nervousness या ऐसा कुछ?
नहीं मैं नर्वस बिल्कुल नहीं.
I'm camera.
It's been a lovely journey to be here,
Yeah.
and very happy to be a part of JLM for this fun thing. It's basically a fun winter ball with fashion and friends. So it's quite exciting. Everybody is very chilled out inside. They're looking at things and shopping, since the shopping season is very much here.
Yeah.
And being associated with JLM has been a wonderful, wonderful experience.
Ma'am, how you got associated with JLM?
JLM has been a very good known brand for over a year now. I have come for the opening of the store, and today I am showcasing my collection here. तो उनके साथ रह के ये सब करना बहुत मज़ेदार रहा.
Like, it's the first time that you and 25 designers are going to showcase their
Yes,
set.
it's
What do you
something.
like?
It's something very innovative. She's brought in a lot of people down under one roof, which becomes easy for the customers as they get a larger variety, and it's more fun. The more, the merrier. You know.
Tell us something about your collection. What kind of collection
Okay,
you are-
my collection is yes, it customizes to the season, which is very very festive now over the next 1-2 months. Party wear, fun. It's wearable, and most of all, with the demonetization going on, it's also very affordable.
Okay.
What new things you going to see in winter collection of your?
Well, I've concentrated more on the styling, the cuts, a lot of net, and fun. A lot of fun with clothes. That's what I've looked at.
Ma'am,
No, I haven't. I'm trying to make it more exciting and fun.
Okay.
That's it.
according to you, ma'am, what is your true sense of fashion?
A true sense of fashion. Fashion is a very individualistic statement. It's what goes with your personality and style. What looks good on one cannot look good on the other. So it's a very personalized thing. And it can be the most simple dress. If worn with style and confidence, you can pull it off at any time.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
for
thank
joining
you.
us. Thank you. Roll.
Yeah, so what do you need to know about it?
About your design wears and all. About
I am into a lot of gowns. We do a lot of couture, bridal, heavy, semi-formal gowns because that's what I feel the Indian market doesn't have as of now, and at very economical rates, of course. and this is our first time at Jhelum, and we are featuring and coming up with the gowns line as of now. Yeah.
How you associated with Jhelum? There are lots of designers working with Jhelum.
Yeah, we got connected because I did the Lakme Fashion Week this year, and that's how they got connected. They liked our stuff, and that's how we are there.
Okay. So tell us something about your designing. What the unique thing which you have in your
See, as of now, because the season demands a lot of bling, because it's a festive season, so it's all basically bling and festive, lot of glamour element in it. That's
What
it.
is the real meaning of fashion for you?
Mood?
Okay.
How moody you are? What's the mood that day? And I think when you dress up, you can actually lift your mood, and be happy.
Man, any
That's
tips
it.
you like to give to youngster because they don't know how to carry their self?
I think they should do whatever makes them feel good, not listen to others. If they are happy in their skin, they should do whatever they like.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
thank you.
Yeah, bye.
So now how's the collection?
I think it's fantastic, very, very glamorous and so apt for December. We're all getting ready to party, meet friends. So, yeah, a lot of glam quotient
And what
out
you're
there.
wearing?
I'm wearing a Monaz, and I think it's really glamorous, lovely color, very festive.
What is the real meaning of fashion for you?
It should be something that stands out, glamorous, and yet be very, very comfortable.
How you get to know to Jhelum? How you get associated with?
With Jhelum, I think it's got a nice pick of the best collection, something that you don't find otherwise, and very unique pieces.
Any tips you like to give to our youngster for fashion?
Just be yourself and wear your best smile. I think that takes care of everything. Okay, thank you.
Frankly speaking, I know the ladies here, and Monaz is a very good friend, also one of the designers, and so it's good. I came here to see everybody else's designs too, including Jhelum's, huh? Yes.
It's the first time that 25 designers showcasing their talent
Yes.
and collection. What do you like to say?
What do I like? I like to see wearable clothes generally, and there are quite a few here. In fact, I'm waiting once I get this over, go and try some.
Ma'am,
Yeah. What the real meaning of fashion for you?
Fashion means statement,
Yeah.
and fashion means they're classic, there's pop, there's everything, but it should suit you, and you should not go along too much with the trend. Wear what looks good on you. You know, and fashion, you can create your own fashion. I think I've been in the fashion world without designing for many, many years now. In fact, I had my own store for almost 2.5 years. Then I got off that whole line. Not easy.
Ma'am, your new show is also coming on.
Yes,
show,
my new
Spice and all.
Spices and Secrets. I'm on that show on Living Foods on Z Television, and it's featured every Saturday and Sunday at 8 o'clock. So all you guys who haven't seen it, please do see it.
Apart from this, ma'am, did you see the Kabul trailer? How was it?
Oh, fantastic. Fantastic. But then I'm always biased when it comes to Hrithik, you know. He's a very good actor, and he's my favorite.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure.
Thank you.